Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Fold Factory and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is another great idea from my good friends at HBP Inc. in Falls Church, Virginia and Hagerstown, Maryland. This was designed by Malka Designs of Baltimore for client JDBYYTT, and this is a fundraising piece to create a scholarship fund, and this is an oversized traveling snake fold. If you're interested in playing with this format, we have a smaller version of this on Fold Factory, and you can just scale it up. This is so cool though, because using an oversized format can really make people slow down and enjoy the experience, and it really makes an impact because of its size. So it says you can make this happen. It opens like this, and then it says and this, and this, and it's kind of taking you through a story, and it's got photos of all the things you can make happen by helping them to build this scholarship fund. So as I said, this is a traveling snake. Snake folds are roll folds that can generally, a classic snake rolls kind of around in a circle. You can look up past episodes of Fold of the Week for classic snake folds. This is a traveling snake, so it's rolling out in different directions. So it rolls up and up again, and then over and up, and so it's taking you through, and then it ends with all because of you. So you can see just how nice and big this is. This is on a 65-pound gloss cover. These were printed 4-color on an 8-color UV press, die score hand fold. They did about 500 of these for a special handout for the fundraiser, and it just folds down, over, roll. This is just a roll fold, rolling down, over, and over. There's a little box score right here, just a little one just to accommodate for that thickness, and that's in the die as well. So anyway, very cool. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week, oversized traveling snake fold. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, die lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.